Hi, my name is Melanie Courtemanche, and I'd like to thank Preston Martelly for everything he did for me. I feel blessed to have met Preston. Not only is he a competent and kind individual, but he went above and beyond all my expectations. From the moment I met Preston, I knew I was more than a client. His generosity, his giving nature astonished me. He never counted his time, always making himself available to offer support, to offer guidance. Not only did he share his knowledge and expertise, but he also gave me great advice on how to get started with my business. Preston listened to all my questions and concerns and provided practical and actionable recommendations. One thing that stood out for me was his readiness to help. Whenever I needed assistance or guidance, Preston was always there, ready and willing to give a hand. His commitment to my success makes me feel valued and supported, and I couldn't be more grateful for his efforts. I highly recommend him to anyone looking for services in digital marketing. His contribution to my professional growth and development have been invaluable, and I cannot thank you enough, Preston, for your constant support and guidance. Preston, you're great. Thank you.